Hey everyone, we are again back at Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine, Texas, and today we are going to do a tour of the loft suite. We hope you enjoy. Let's do it. Hey everyone, another room review here at Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine, Texas. This is the second time we've been here, and this is a new room. We are excited to share this one with you. As you obviously walk in, you're going to see two double beds here. We already stayed in here, so obviously it looks like someone has slept in these beds, but they were really nice and comfortable, good sleep. You do have USB ports down here and plug in phone, remote, and then also some more USB ports down here if you need more for charging. Light on both sides there. I'm gonna spin around. They do have some storage there, some drawers, and then this is one of 3 TVs in this suite. That is the Great Wolf Lodge cartoon the kids absolutely love. There is a safe here, so you can create your own code and put your belongings in there. We like the layout of this because this is like a separate living room, living space. This actually pulls out to a bed. You just move this chest, it's super light. And so one of the kids slept on that last night, so it gave them plenty of space. There's extra bedding. Love the cabin feel in here. Plenty of lighting, also natural lighting with the big windows here. This one does not have a balcony, but still worked out really well, good view. Also the airplane's landing. A little eating area, which is super nice right there. AC, you can see we've got it cranked 67 because it is hot outside. What we were really excited about was the loft space in here. We were here with my mom and dad, which gave them just like a little private space up here. And then we'll go from here up to this suite here. Similar setup with the bed, also the remote. And then down here, more USB port and then light. And you also have your third TV here. And then plenty of space where you can put that. And then also a little cubby here. Fan, which was really nice, keep it nice and cool. A little space where you can also hang up stuff as well. But upstairs does not have a full bath, but does have a restroom up here. They don't have to go all the way downstairs. It's just a small little area. But again, you don't have to go all the way downstairs to use the restroom at night. And then here's an overall view from above. Kids obviously loved it. Let's head back downstairs. The bathroom, again, just a standard bathroom like in our other tour. I'll put the link of the other room that we stayed in, which was the cabin's kids suite. Plenty of towels. We obviously used a shower already. Everything was nice and clean when we got here. Also, Great Wolf Lodge has their own products here. Soap. And then the kitchen area obviously is a little bit messy. We had pizza, which I would highly recommend the pizza that they have here. Microwave, ice tray. The coffee, Teen tried the coffee this morning and it was good. Then you can throw some stuff in the fridge there. Keep everything. And then back here, we are about to check out, but this is some stuff that you have. Your ironing board, iron extra pillows, and then the hair dryer. And that is about it. Did you enjoy the stay, lady?
Yeah, it was great.
It was really good for the family.
The kids loved it too. I asked them which they liked better, the bunk beds or the loft, and they said they liked both equally.
Both equally, yeah. I think if we hadn't had Grandma and Grandpa here, the cabin's just as good for us.
Yeah, and we could have still fit in that room with all of us.
Yeah.
But their kids really like the loft space.
Thank you once again for joining us. If you've enjoyed this content, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell. Also, we'll put up some other links to other reviews, hotels, resorts, also Universal content. We'll put it up right now. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
The roar as loud as you can.